Which is the largest saline water lake in India? Spot on option A, Chilka Lake. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Spot on option B, Wular Lake. Which is the longest natural cave in India? Spot on option C, Kremliet Pré. Which is the longest river of southern India? Spot on option B, Godavari. Which is the largest Gurudwara in India? Spot on option B, Golden Temple. Which is the tallest TV tower in India? Spot on option B, Rameshwaram TV Tower. Which is the highest road in India? Spot on option A, Leh Manali Highway. Which is the deepest river valley in India? Spot on option C, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. Which is the largest river without a delta in India? Spot on option D, both B and C. Which is the highest battlefield and the longest glacier in India? Spot on option C, Siachen Glacier. Which is the biggest river island in India? Spot on option B, Majuli Island. Which is the largest planetarium in India? Spot on option C, MP Birla Planetarium. Which is the highest airport in India? Spot on option A, Leh Airport. Which is the fastest train in India? Spot on option C, Gatiman Express. Which is the South Indian state with the longest coastline? Spot on option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which is the most frequent path-changing river in India? Spot on option B, Kosi. Which is the largest artificial lake in India? Spot on option B, Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar. Which is the largest district in India? Spot on option B, Kutch. Which is the largest state in India by area? Spot on option D, Rajasthan. Which state in India has the maximum urban area? Spot on option C, Maharashtra. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, never miss your daily GK, and if you liked it, share it with your friends. Which is the largest natural port in India? Spot on option C, Mumbai. The longest railway tunnel in India is? Spot on option B, Pir Panjal Railway Tunnel. The largest sea bridge in India is? Spot on option C, Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link. The Indian state with the longest coastline is? Spot on option B, Gujarat. In which state of India is the Sundarban region located? Spot on option B, West Bengal. Which is the largest city of India by population? Spot on option B, Mumbai. Which is the most populous state of India? Spot on option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which animal is famous in the Sundarbans? Spot on option C, Royal Bengal Tiger. Which state of India is known as the land of five rivers? Spot on option B, Punjab. Where is the Taj Mahal located? Spot on option C, Agra. Where is the Gateway of India located? Spot on option B, Mumbai. Sikh Cathedral, one of the largest churches in Asia, is located in which state? Spot on option B, Goa. The famous Bahubali statue at Shravanbelgola is situated in which state? Spot on option B, Karnataka. Kadmat Island is part of which union territory? Spot on option B, Lakshadweep. Which city of India is known as the White City? Spot on option A, Udaipur. Which city is popularly called the Garden City of India? Spot on option B, Bengaluru. Which city of India is known as the Black City? Spot on option B, Kolkata. Which place is called the Switzerland of India? Spot on option B, Kashmir. Where is Hawa Mahal located? Spot on option A, Jaipur. Your turn now. Drop your answer in the comments. Which city of India is known as the Space City?